look at all of us. Look at all of us living in
That checks out.
living in the world that science has created for us, living healthy, fulfilling lives, and then turning around and basically believing in witchcraft. Oh, I'm in a bad mood because Saturn's in the wrong place. Mercury's in retrograde. Read a book. Monday, come here. It's dog time.
All right.
Is that it?
That's our stream. Beautiful.
Thanks for joining us. Please,
a pleasure as always.
Check it out every Wednesday at 1 p.m. Pacific time.
Thanks to Nara on the ones and twos. Yell on the camera. Priyanka on the cues. What a day.
Thanks, everyone.
Sarah, you're the softest.
And what they tried to do to the Affordable Care Act a couple months ago, Democratic candidates in 2018 should be hammering that message every single day. What is going on? What is happening? Oh, that was from when we were going to put All Dang Syne in the New Year's special. Good job, Luca. Luca. Guys, this is off the rails today.
Hello, Leo.
Leo looks a little more pitiful than
Leo
Hunter in this situation.
What do you think about the AP data being down and the New York Times needle not working? Pretty annoying, right? Pretty annoying. You want a belly rub? Okay, we'll get a belly rub. All right, that's all I got. Thanks, guys. Do you think Wexton had it in the bag? Why didn't the NRCC pull out? They were playing hard in an expensive district till the end. Where do you think Barbara Comstock is going to lobby now?
We're back.
Analysis
A lot of
with
people-
our pundit.
A lot of people asked for a pundit to come back. Look at this dog.
Pundit, what did you think?
I think both sides are to blame.
David Gergen, the pundit.
I have to say, I think the tenor of our politics has gotten bad, and I think Democrats and Republicans ought to come together and figure out how to work together. You know, Tip O'Neill used to drink with Ronald Reagan at the end of the day, and that's what's broken. Pundit.
This is the content.
Are you getting it?
It's fine.
Get the shot.
Oh, I got it. That's a shot. Shut up. That's a good one. Look at that.